Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the last set of punctuation marks, dashes and other punctuations. Are you familiar with how to use them? Just keep watching to learn. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Now, let's get into it. First of all, what is a dash? A dash is a small horizontal line that is often used to indicate a break or interruption in a sentence. Dashes are commonly used in informal writing. They can be used the same way we use commas and semicolons. Refer to the following examples. She brought snacks, a variety of chips, chocolates, and fruit. The party was wild, filled with laughter, music, and dancing. The next punctuation is the bracket. Brackets, also known as parentheses, function similarly as dashes since they also add extra, non-essential information. However, there are some differences in usage and tone between the two. Brackets can sometimes imply a more formal or technical context, while dashes often lend a more casual and immediate feel to the writing. Here are some examples of how brackets can be used. She wanted to visit the Eiffel Tower, a famous landmark in Paris, during her trip. The event took place on Friday afternoon, at around 3 p.m. Then, we have forward slashes. Forward slashes are used in internet addresses and are used to indicate academic references. For example, the article can be found at https:/www.journalwebsite.org/article/title. The concept was discussed in depth by Jones, 2019, /Smith A. Alia, 2020. We also use appropriate punctuation marks when it involves numerals or numbers. In writing dates, for instance, we usually use full stops. However, using forward slashes or dashes are also acceptable. For instance, the date August 19, 2023 can be written as illustrated on the screen. August 19, 2023, August 19, 2023, 19th of August 2023. Additionally, we usually do not punctuate weights and measures and references to numbers. For example, 5 kilograms, the room temperature should be set to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Commas are used in numbers to indicate thousands or millions. Examples are 1 million, 50,000. Moreover, decimal points are indicated using full stops. Refer to the following examples. 3.14, $25.99. 2.5 centimeters. In indicating time, however, you may use either a full stop or a colon. Here are a few examples. 4:30 in the afternoon. 4:30 in the afternoon. The meeting is scheduled for 4:30 in the afternoon. Can you give other examples of punctuation marks that were not mentioned in our previous discussions? Or can you think of any other ways in which we can use these kinds of punctuation marks? You can post them on the comments section of this video. Now, let us come to test your understanding of whether you have understood this particular topic. In this practice exercise, you need to select the correctly punctuated sentence among the given options. You will be given 15 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? For number 1, select the correctly punctuated sentence from the given options. You have 15 seconds to answer. You can pause this video to give you more time to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter B. She was planning to visit the museum, the one with the ancient artifacts, the park, and the zoo. The dashes are used to set off non-essential information about the museum within the sentence. In order to maintain a consistent punctuation style and to clearly set off the information, we need to put a dash before the one with the ancient artifacts and before the park. For number 2, select the correctly punctuated sentence from the given options. You have 15 seconds to answer. You can pause this video to give you more time to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter D. The author of The Great Gatsby was F. Scott Fitzgerald, 1896 to 1940. The parentheses are used to add additional information about F. Scott Fitzgerald's years of birth and death. The first to third options would be inappropriate. Therefore, the fourth option is the correct answer. For the last item, select the correctly punctuated sentence from the given options. You have 15 seconds to answer. You can pause this video to give you more time to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter B. The document was created on January 7, 2022. Among the given options, the second sentence is the correct answer because it uses the appropriate punctuation mark, which are the forward slashes. Once again, forward slashes are used to separate day, month, and year components in dates, making them recognizable and clear. The first, third, and last option has either incorrect or no punctuation mark at all. Alright, that's pretty much it. Did you get all the questions right? If not, you can still repeat this video and learn once again. We now wrap up our discussion on punctuation marks. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.